I'm Gabe Maentz. I'm a general manager at Riverpoint Technology. We're a system integrator for emerging technologies. So we're here at Kubecon 2024 working with the SUSE Rancher team, HashiCorp ecosystem, and just taking it kind of all in. We've been an Instruqt customer for 3 or 4 years now. And what I really love about Instruqt is the ability to kind of have a lab environment kind of at the ready, right? And so what's nice, we've done that in a training capacity for a while, but what's nice in a trade show kind of environment is that you know it's going to work, right? So like you're not fooling around with Wi-Fi and these kind of things. Literally, I just have a browser, open a tab, and launch a track. So I was asked by the SUSE team to highlight a couple of their integration partners, of which we're a diamond partner with SUSE. In the demo that I just did, I was showcasing a number of different technologies and was able to get the lab completely built out ahead of time. That way, I can just showcase certain things without having to spend the whole time kind of going through it. So we're all different learners, right? So I'm a tactile learning. I like learn by doing, right? So for me to actually run in as close to a real life production system and see how things interact and intentionally build things and then break things and then like try to fix them, that's all part of this kind of ecosystem, right? And so what Instruqt allows me to do is kind of sandbox off kind of a safe area to go explore and do some of that work. And then also invite others to kind of like, hey Gabe, could you show me how to do this thing? And I don't have to worry about, oh, well, I got this like special little magic that's happening behind the scenes and stuff. I could just be really natural with it. What we did though, which was also really nice, is we just put a little splash page with all videos of the demos, as well as a link to all the labs. So folks who are not here or who were here and didn't have the ability to like go through the lab, in this kind of environment, they can go back home, they can go, at their leisure and go through the lab with a video instruction. So it's really portable for folks at conference and outside of the conference. It's come a long way. Like I said, we've been customers for almost 4 years now. The ability to just take and build like an AWS account in an ephemeral fashion, and then it tears everything down when the lab gets undone. That's awesome. Like just those on-demand kind of knowing that the lab's always going to work is just huge when you're in front of an audience or in a training environment or something like that. People are like, oh wait, you're really doing this against an actual AWS or Google account? Yeah, in fact, everybody here has their own, so you're not going to hurt anybody else. Just spin it up and feel free to explore and break things and fix them.